It's been a while since I've made a video. Um, I finished those 40 black jackets and I sent them off for embroidery and we delivered it. Uh, and that organization was very happy to receive those jackets. So what I'm busy now with, it's a bit quiet here at the studio, so I'm busy making some beanies, just simple beanies for some of the printing clients. When I print for them, then I can at least give them something for free for the winter. So it's just a simple beanie like this. It's a 4-panel beanie, and I do it very simple. There's no top stitching here. You can see some of it I top stitch, but you can see there's no full rounding off it. It's just mostly all of the stitching gets done at the overlocker. Maybe one or two I'll round off, but because I give these ones away for free and I make them out of off-cut pieces, I normally don't do any top stitching. Like for instance, this one, it has got some nice top stitching here, just to make all the seams flat. But you will see I don't sometimes even use the correct thread, because these are all offcuts, and when you make them, you can't change the thread on the overlocker every time. So I use mostly the offcut fleece and some of the knit that I've got left, like this blue one. I like this blue one. So but still there's no rounding off at the bottom. It's just a normal overlock seam, because otherwise you have to move between the overlock machine and the lock stitch, and it just takes too much. It just takes up too much time. So these are freebies that I somewhat just put in the bag when I print stuff for clients. So I bought this red fleece. The pattern that I'm using is this pattern. It's my own pattern. I'll post it on the YouTube channel. It's just a pattern that I drew up for myself for a 4-panel beanie. So I'll post that there. So what we'll do is I'm just going to cut one. So this series of videos will be about this particular 4-panel beanie, and I'll do one with a top stitch as well. So, but for now, I'm just going to do a normal straight stitch. So you just basically cut 4 panels. Four of these panels, the top panel, and then and these are nice beanies to make. They're so easy to make, and you know, and they're very quick. Once you've cut the panels, don't waste material. You just sit in front of the overlocker, and it basically takes you 10 minutes to make the beanie. If you want to do top stitching, it takes some extra time at the end of the day. But yeah, if you want the panels to align and you want everything to be perfect, that is fine. But these ones I give away for free. They're just there to give something extra back, but I don't align stuff here and make sure everything is perfect. That's not the purpose of the exercise here. It's just to make something quickly that I can give away for free. And these beanies are very nice to wear in the sense that you can wear them at home and somewhere just, you know, just to cover your head. People like me who don't have too much hair on our heads, these ones are perfect for us. So this video is just quickly to show how I cut them. I put them like this, and then the band at the bottom. On the pattern you will see there's for fleece 28 centimeters by 58 and a one for the knit, this type of knit. Because the thing is with the fleece, people like to embroider here. So you need to leave enough space for printing and embroidering. But I normally, even if people bring me beanies, I don't normally embroider on knit or print on it, because the knit is more stretchy than the than the fleece. So inevitably it doesn't, you know, it just doesn't look nice. So this is just the band that we're cutting now. For the fleece beanies, I use the knit band because I don't print on these ones. If clients at the end wants me to print something for them on that, I will just print it on the top of the four panels and not on the band. But yeah, so it's a very nice exercise. For this. So yeah, but it's winter here now, it's getting cooler. The evenings are cold. Here where I stay, even in the summer it is mild to winter, but and we had rains still till last week. But yeah, so this is a simple, I'll post it on YouTube channel. So this is just to make a beanie. This is the first one that I cut. So I'm going to cut the rest, and then I'll make the next video, I'll make in front of the overlocker where we sew the different panels together. I think there will be about two videos, one for the cap and then one for the band that goes around. Okay.